This is an unboxing and hands-on review of Nokia X6. Nokia finally took the wraps off the Nokia X6 smartphone in a ceremony held in Beijing, China. The X6 is coming as Nokia's first smartphone with a notch on its display, and we must admit the device lived up to expectation, that is if you have no problem with smartphones having a display notch. So let's start the unboxing and see what's inside this box. Indeed, the Nokia X6 comes with a cutout on its display, which is a compromise on the symmetry, so as to create a near bezel-less display design. That is obvious at the top edge and the sides, but the chin still has a noticeable bezel. The front design really isn't very much different from other notch-packing smartphones around, except that the cutout is just moderate in size, a little bigger than the Essential phones, and smaller than iPhone X's. The display size is 5.88 inches, with the 19:9 aspect ratio, and in Full HD Plus resolution of 2280 by 1080 pixels. The display gets further protection from a Corning Gorilla Glass 3 panel. The back of the Nokia X6 is just as premium as the front aspect. While the mid-frame is made of aluminium alloy, the rear panel is wrapped with Corning Gorilla Glass, just like the display, giving the device a glass body. The premium look will be available in black, white, and dark blue colors. The volume rockers and power buttons line at the right side of the display, while the SIM tray is at the left side. The device further packs a dual camera setup at the rear, which is aligned in a vertical plane at the middle. The rear camera is a 16-megapixel plus 5-megapixel combo, with a 16-megapixel sensor at the front for selfies. There is also a rear-mounted fingerprint sensor just under the cameras, but there is equally face unlock feature on board. Other top-notch features include 4G VoLTE, Wi-Fi AC, Bluetooth 5.0, and USB Type-C. The device gets its juice from a 3060 mAh battery, which from experience, this isn't the best they could have done, but there is 3.0 fast charging technology on board. The Nokia X6 impresses with its prices, coming in at 1,299 yuan, $204, for the 4GB plus 32GB variant, while the 4GB RAM plus 64GB storage model costs 1,499 yuan, $236. The top-end model with 6GB RAM and 64GB onboard storage will be available for 1,699 yuan, $266.